Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid sparks or blown fuses. Next, grab the wiring harness adapter that matches your car and the stereo, plus an antenna adapter and basic tools. Once parts are together, remove the trim and locate the factory harness. You need to identify constant 12V, accessory 12V, ground, and speaker wires. Make sure to match color codes. This prevents reverse speakers and preserves memory settings, so you don't lose presets later. Now you connect wires carefully. Strip, twist, and crimp or solder each matching wire, then cover with heat shrink for reliable insulation. Once the harness is built, plug the antenna and any steering wheel control adapter into the new head unit, and ensure the ground is solidly attached to the chassis. Then temporarily reconnect the battery to power up the unit and test speakers, touchscreen response, radio reception, and USB charging. If anything fails, disconnect and recheck connections and fuses before proceeding. Finish by sliding the stereo into the dash, tightening the mounting screws evenly, and snapping trim back in place so nothing rattles. Then configure Android Auto or Bluetooth. Pair your phone, grant permissions, set date and time, and balance audio levels for clear sound. Once done, use the radio and USB features to confirm operation. If you get no power, pause, check the inline fuse, ensure the constant and accessory 12V wires are correctly placed, and verify ground continuity to chassis before unmounting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.